Pele.
If you're heading to Grandstand 10 or 16, you want to do one now.
Yeah, we'll take this one. That's okay.
You asked him for the speed, right? So you can check the thing right now.
Good. It's the best one.
Yeah, first time I got this.
Jehan and yan, pero Jehan Darua. He's the reserve driver.
Well done. Enjoy.
One second. I can intervene.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that?
Third generation following car will reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Drivers can recharge the battery while racing through regenerative braking.